The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now, a video circulating on social media right about now that shows of a robbery of a credit union that is located in Tobago. You know Trinidad and Tobago, right? Now, according to police reports, at some time within the 10 a.m. on the 12th of July 2019, two armed gunmen held up and robbed the LAMBEAU credit union, and they make off with a certain amount of money that is not confirmed. Police gave a report that they have a lead on one of the suspects, and they're saying that they're doing their best to bring these men to justice. Now, I am going to show you the video right about now so that you can get a better understanding, because this video footage was released by the credit union security surveillance system, and it's out there right about now. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that the following video, the following scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, and if you like how I present my videos to you, don't be afraid to leave your comment in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright, so here I'm going to leave this video with you now. Observe.
He was right.
Yeah, he came down to check his bathroom. Yeah.
And up inside there afterwards?
Yeah. So you really switch around to see that.